When I want something warm and comforting to eat that won't cause internal heat or feel too greasy, I go for wonton noodles. Not this wonton, but this wonton. Especially when my throat starts to feel a bit sore but I still crave something hot, wonton noodles are a gentle and soothing option. Today I tried wonton noodles from two different shops. One was more affordable while the other cost nearly double for a single bowl. Both are located in the Olympic Thai Kok Choi area of West Kowloon, so let's go eat!
Let's start with this more grassroots spot. I've been coming here for over 20 years. It seems like it recently changed ownership and got renovated. A bowl costs 34 Hong Kong dollars. And just look at the wontons. They're as big as ping pong balls. Springy, juicy and not too fatty. Bursting with aroma, truly delicious. The noodles aren't too firm, and the alkaline taste isn't overpowering. For diners with sensitive stomachs, I recommend avoiding these alkaline noodles and going for flat rice noodles instead. Some wonton noodles have a strong alkaline flavor and are quite hard, which might cause discomfort for some people. The broth is fresh and sweet, and it doesn't leave you thirsty after drinking it. I'll give this place a 9 out of 10. Now let's check out this more upscale, fancy spot. They offer both large and small bowls. $60 for the large and $48 for the small. I believe the small bowl is portioned for children. Adults would probably need at least 2 bowls to feel full. Their afternoon tea set is more affordable and includes vegetables and a drink, available from 2 to 6 p.m. Outside of those hours, everything is a la carte. The wontons here are smaller, about half the size of the ones from the previous shop. The flavor is similar, but milder. The broth is also lighter, likely more suitable for those who prefer a more subtle taste. It includes yellow chives, which aid digestion. I'd rate this wonton noodle an 8 out of 10. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad at all. It's just a matter of personal taste. Some people might prefer this style. Try the chili sauce. It's just average, nothing special in my opinion. Although the prices are higher here, the decor is elegant and the surface is friendly, which creates a pleasant atmosphere. It's probably better suited for business meetings or entertaining guests. It's definitely more comfortable for serious conversations. As for the coffee, no surprises, I think it's made from Nestle instant coffee powder. The aroma and flavor are just the main ingredients in wontons are pork and shrimp. Each shop uses different proportions and recipes. As for the soup base, it's typically made from dried flounder, but again, each place has its own unique formula.
I hope I can introduce more of Hong Kong's cuisine next time. I'm not young anymore. Now I feel that what I eat isn't really that important. Whether it tastes good or not, it doesn't really matter. What matters most is how I spend each day and spending more time with my family. Thanks for watching. Alright, this wraps up today's video, so I hope to see you next time, so please hit subscribe.
Yeah, cut the crap.
What?